welcome to Decode Mania. I am Sahil, and from today I am going to start a new web development series in which I will show you how to develop an image gallery application using Bootstrap 5, jQuery, PHP, and MySQL. So first, let me tell you what you will learn in this series. So first, you will learn how to validate an image in client side. Second, how to display preview of selected image before uploading. Third, how to display progress bar while image uploading. Fourth, how to validate an image in server side. Fifth, how to compress image size in server side and then upload. Sixth, how to edit and update an image in directory and database. Seventh, how to delete an image from directory and database. Okay, so these are the functionalities we will learn in this series. So before starting this series, let's see the demo of image gallery application. Okay, so this is the final output of image gallery application, and this is fully responsive. Okay, if you just decrease the screen size, then you can see the responsiveness of this application. Okay, like this. Sorry. Okay, now here you can see image gallery text, and there is a button on the right side, upload new image. Okay, and here you can see all the uploaded image thumbnails. Okay, and when we click on any image thumbnails, then we will see the full preview of the image in a Bootstrap 5 model. Okay, with image alternate text here and the image itself. Okay, and here you can see there are two action buttons here. First one is for edit this image. Okay, and second one is for delete this image. Okay, similarly, when we click on any another image thumbnail, then we will display the full preview of the image along with the alternate image text and with two action button. Okay, and when we click on this button upload new image, then we are displaying another Bootstrap 5 model with two input field. First one is for alternate image text, and second is uh, for file chooser. Okay, so let me show you how to upload a new image. So here just write the alternate text. Okay, text one, and here let's select the image. Okay, so suppose I want to upload this image, so just select this image. Now here you can see the preview of image before uploading. Okay, if you just select another image like this image, then the preview is also updated here, and if you click on upload, then you can see the image is uploaded successfully and the thumbnail of the image is displaying here. And if you click on this image, then the full preview of the image is displaying here. Okay, now let me show you the file validation of from the client side. Okay, so if I just write test2 and select a file that is not an image like this PDF file. Okay, so here you can see an a message, image type not supported, only JPG, PNG, GIF are allowed, and this upload button is now disabled. Okay, so we cannot upload this type of file. Okay, we can only upload JPG, PNG, GIF extension files. Okay, so to upload we have to change this file. So just select an appropriate image. Okay, so now this is a JPG image. So as we select an appropriate image, then the preview is displaying here. Okay, and let's select an image which has size more than 1 MB, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so this image has size more than 1 MB. Okay, so let's select this image, and here you can see image size should be less or equal to 1 MB. So in client side I have set a limit of image size size should be less than or equal to 1 MB. Okay, if the image size is greater than 1 MB, then the image will not be uploaded. Okay, and here you can see the upload button is also get disabled. Okay, so we cannot click on this upload button and this image will not be uploaded. Okay, so we have to select an image which is less than or equal to 1 MB. Okay, so suppose I want to upload this image, then as we select an appropriate image, then the preview of the image will instantly display here, and if you click on upload, then the image will get uploaded. Okay, and you can see the preview of the image thumbnail here, and if you click on the thumbnail, then we can see the full preview of the image. Now let me show you how to edit an image. Okay, so suppose I want to edit this image. Okay, so this is the alternate text. So first let me show you how to edit only this alternate text. Okay, so just click on this edit icon. Now here you can see another Bootstrap 5 model with the previous alternate text value and the previous image preview. Okay, and let's suppose I will change this to testing. Okay, and click on change. Now close this, and when we click on this, then we can see the alternate text has been changed. Okay, and the image is not changed. Now I want to change the image also. Okay, so for this what I will do is just select a new image from here. Okay, now as we select a new image, then the preview of the new image is displayed here, and when we click on change, then the image gets updated and the new image thumbnail preview is displaying here. Okay, if you click on this, then the new image full preview can see here. Okay, now suppose I want to delete this image, then if click on this image and click on this delete icon. Okay, so now you can see the image has been successfully deleted from database and directory also, and from here also. Okay, so now let me show you the progress bar while uploading an image. Okay, so for this we have to change one thing, because we are in localhost, so whenever we upload a new image, then the progress bar will not be visible because image will upload very quickly. Okay, so for this we have to change a setting in network tab. Okay, so just go to network tab and from here change this to slow 3G. Okay, just select slow 3G, and now next what I will do is just go to upload new image and just write an alternate image text. So here I will write test3 or anything you want and click on choose file. Now let's select this file. Okay, so this file is greater than 1 MB of size, so this will not be uploaded. So let's select another file. Okay, so I will select this file. Okay, now when I click on upload, then you can see the progress bar here. Okay, once the image has been uploaded successfully, then you can see a success message, image uploaded successfully, and here you can see the image preview, image thumbnail preview is displaying here, and you can just click on this and you can see the full image preview here. Okay, so this was the final output of this application. From next video I will show you how to develop this application from the scratch. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and also subscribe this channel. See you soon in next video.